morning, my lovely kids. Welcome to English class. In this class, today we will be doing dictation of page 34. Okay, but first of all, let's do the reading. Reading of this page 34. Okay, so let's start our reading. Come with me.
My dear kids, let's start the reading of page 34. Okay? Yes. The first sentence is Ben met Ken. The first sentence is Ben met Ken. Ben किसको मिली? Ben मिली Ken को. And yes, the name of this hen is Ben. Okay, ये Ben है and the name of this hen is Ken. Ben met Ken. Ben met Ken. The first sentence is Ben met Ken. And the second sentence is Ken is a little 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 hen. Ken Ken. Is a little little hen. Little का मीनिंग होता है बेटा स्मॉल छोटा. Ken is a little hen. Okay, Ken is a little hen. Ken एक small hen है. Okay, the third sentence is Ben Ben and and Ken ran ran का मतलब होता है भागना भागा. and ran go near near मतलब होता है पास किसी के पास. go मतलब होता है जाना. the fan. Let's read the sentence again. Ben and Ken ran to go near the fan. Okay, Ben and Ken ran भागी और भागी to go near the fan के पास. Okay, Ben और Ken ran to go near the fan. और Ben और Ken भाग के कहाँ गई? near the fan के पास. ठीक है, it's a fan and Ben and Ken ran to go near the fan. Okay beta. The next sentence is Ben, take a little pause, Ken, Ken, and Ted. Ted is the name of a boy, है ना? Yes, the name of this boy is Ted. It's the name of this hen is Ben, Ken, and Ted. Ben, Ken, and Ted. Yes, play होता है खेलना. On the bed. Okay, Ben, Ken, and Ted play on the bed. वो कहाँ खेले? They play on the bed. Ben, Ken, and Ted play on the bed. Yes, you see, the name of this boy is Ted and it's Ben and it's Ken. Where they are playing? They are playing on the bed. Okay, Ben, Ken, and Ted play on the bed. Okay, yes. Next sentence is they fell. they fell. fell होता है बेटा गिरना नीचे गिरना. and yelled yelled. Okay, yelled. Yes बेटा, what is the meaning of yelled? Yelled का meaning क्या होता है? To cry out loudly as in pain, surprise और enthusiasm. जब आप कई बार किसी पेन में होते हो या बहुत हैरान होते हो या बहुत एक्साइटेड होते हो, खुश होते हो, या समटाइम्स आप कई बार एंग्री होते हो, जब आपको गुस्सा आता है तब आप ये वाला साउंड निकालते हो. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? दे फेल. बेन बेन, केन और टेड वो बेड से नीचे गिर गए, है ना, बिकॉज दे वर प्लेइंग ऑन द बेड, बेड पे खेल रहे थे, खेलते खेलते दे फेल, वो नीचे गिर गए एंड येल्ड. ओके, सो लेट्स quickly revise this chapter. Let's read it again. Ben met Ken. Ken is a little hen. Okay, the third sentence is Ben and Ken ran and ran to go near the fan. Okay, the next sentence is Ben, Ken and Ted play on the bed. Okay, the last sentence is they fell and yelled. Okay बेटा, so आपको भी ऐसे ही रीडिंग करनी है. रीड इट प्रॉपरली. ओके बच्चे.
Beta, let's start our dictation sentences of page 34. Number 1 is Ben met Ken. So Ben is a name, so B must be capital. B E N, Ben. B E N, Ben. Met Ken. M, small m, small e, small t. Met. M-E-T, met. Ben met Ken. Ken is a name, so K must be capital. Capital K, small e, small n. Okay, K-E-N, Ken. ये दोनों names हैं hen के. Ben is a hen and Ken is also a hen. Okay, Ben met Ken, and here we will put full stop. Okay. And the next sentence is number 2 is here margin line में we will write number 2, and that is Ken is a little hen. So first letter capital K, name है इसलिए भी ये capital होगा. Ken, K and Ken is a little hen. I S is, then put dot on small I. Okay, Ken is a small little hen. L, small I, small t, again small t, then put cut on the small t, then small l, then small e. L I double T L E, and put dot on small I, little. Ken is a little hen. Hen के spelling क्या होंगे? Small h, small e, small n. Hen. Okay, and here put dot. Okay, यहाँ पे full stop लगाना है. Here put full stop. Okay, be careful about the full stop. Ken is a little hen. Next one is number 3. Here we will write number 3. Okay, third sentence is Ben and Ken ran. Ben, yes, Ben and A-N-D and Ben and Ken, K-E-N, Ken, ran. R-A-N, ran. Ben and Ken ran, and A-N-D and Ben and Ken ran and ran. R-A-N, ran. Okay, इसी सेंटेंस का नेक्स्ट हम लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे पार्ट. ran to go, T-O, to, then G-O, go, near the fan, near, N-E-A-R, near, then T-H-E, the, cut on the small t, fan, small f, small a, fan fan. And here put full stop. आपने full stop को डार्क करना है like this. Okay, तो इसको read करते हैं. Ben and Ken. Ken is a name, so हमने K capital किया. Ben and Ken ran to go near the fan. Okay. The next sentence, fourth sentence is Ben. Okay, Ben, B-E-N, Ben. Then here, comma, Ken. Ben, Ken name है इसीलिए K capital फिर से हम लिखेंगे. Ben, comma, Ken and Ted, A-N-D and Ted. Ted is also a name of a boy. तो Ted का भी T capital होगा. Capital T, small e, small d. Ted play on the bed. Small p, small l, small a, small y. Play then on the bed. O and on, then T, H, E, the, then bed. Small b, small e, small d. Bed. Then here put full stop. Okay, Ben, comma, Ken and Ted play on the bed. Yes. Next is fifth sentence is they fell and yelled. Yes, they. Capital T, small h, small e, small y. They fell. F E double L. They fell and yelled. A N D and yelled. Small y, yes. Small e, small l, again small l, then small e, then small d. Y, E, double L, E, D, yell. And here sentence हमारा complete हो गया. Here put full stop. They fell and yelled. Okay. Beta, let's do the reading dictation page 34 one more time. Okay. Ben met Ken. Okay. First sentence is Ben met Ken. Second sentence is Ken is a little hen. Third sentence is Ben and Ken ran to go near the fan. Okay. Ben and Ken ran to go near the fan. Fourth sentence is Ben, Ken and Ted play on the bed. Okay. Ben, Ken and Ted play on the bed. Fifth sentence is they fell and yelled. Okay beta. So you have to write it down in your notebook with date. डेट आपको लिखना है 23.8.2021 एंड डे मंडे एंड हेडिंग लिखना है ऊपर डिक्टेशन पेज 34 और ऐसे इसको नोट डाउन करना है. ओके बेटा, हैव अ वंडरफुल डे, बाय बाय.